Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Windows build and the Directx runtime version so you know what to target. Next, install the latest GPU driver and choose a clean install to remove old files. This prevents driver conflicts. Once done, run Winlator as administrator and set compatibility mode to the Windows version the app expects. These first steps remove the common permission and driver causes of Directx failures, so make sure each is completed before moving on. Now dive into the emulator configuration. Change Winlator's Directx backend between Direct 3D9, 11, and 12 to find one that initializes correctly. While testing, tweak renderer settings like native resolution, vsync, and buffer size because incorrect buffers often trigger Directx errors. Also force the dedicated GPU via Windows graphics settings or your GPU control panel so the app doesn't default to integrated graphics. These detailed adjustments target compatibility. Finish by reinstalling the Directx end-user runtime and Visual C++ redistributables because missing libraries often cause runtime failures. Inspect Winlator logs and the Windows event viewer. Look for specific Directx error codes and messages to guide fixes. If issues persist, try applying community compatibility patches or roll back to a known good Winlator build. Troubleshooting tip: if you still get errors, test a different backend and note the exact error code. That code is the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.